So here we are, we've just got here. We've got all the bags on board. Give us a wave. Yeah, it's fucking beautiful. There's no wind, like if you look at the trees, hardly moving at all. So it looks like it's a motoring day rather than a sailing day, but we can still make the trip. So we're currently out and about in the water. Let me just switch this around. And that's the land over there. That's behind us. Sorry, Dad?
Now, the water is absolutely dead fucking calm. The rain stopped, although
which is tea.
me and Andy are still a bit fucking wet.
We've been swimming.
It looks like we've been swimming. And Connor is still fucking asleep, the bastard. When he comes out, he's putting the fucking kettle on.
Yeah, I'm currently still on the boat. Give us a wave, guys. Is it not? Nice blue skies with just a little bit of